Keeping your knives sharp is essential for effortless and safe cooking, ensuring precision cuts and reducing the risk of accidents. In this video, we're going to introduce you to the top 5 knife sharpeners that you need to keep your kitchen blades in top-notch condition. Stay tuned and let's find your perfect match. Number 1. Presto EverSharp Electric Knife Sharpener. This electric knife sharpener is a game changer for anyone looking to sharpen kitchen and sport knives to a razor-sharp edge quickly and economically. Say goodbye to dull blades and hello to precision sharpening in the comfort of your own home. Let's talk about the features that make the Presto EverSharp stand out. It boasts an easy 2-stage sharpening system, ensuring professional results on most non-serrated blades. The sapphirite sharpening wheels grind a precisely angled edge before fine honing and polishing for that razor-sharp finish. The precision blade guides hold the knife at the perfect angle, eliminating any guesswork. Simply draw the knife through each slot a few times, and voila, a razor-sharp edge in seconds. This sharpener is designed with convenience in mind. It's built to North American electrical standards, ensuring safety and reliability. Plus, the sapphirite sharpening wheels are made of the same ultra-hard material used in professional sharpening shops, guaranteeing quality results every time. Now, let's address some concerns. While this sharpener offers professional results, it only has 2 sharpening stages. Additionally, some users have reported that it can leave scratches on the blade, so it's important to handle your knives with care. And there you have it, folks. The Presto EverSharp Electric Knife Sharpener, your ticket to razor-sharp blades at home. If you're interested in picking one up for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Number 2. Chef's 1520 Electric Knife Sharpener. This stainless steel powerhouse is here to revolutionize your sharpening game. With its innovative features and precision engineering, it's no wonder why it's making waves in the culinary world. Let's talk about what sets the Chef's 1520 apart. With its Angle Select technology, you can choose between a traditional 20-degree edge or a finer 15-degree edge for precision slicing. This means you have full control over the sharpness of your blades. The 100% diamond abrasives ensure efficient sharpening and honing, while the dies-engineered facets create a longer-lasting, arch-shaped edge that maintains sharpness over time. Precision angle guides take the guesswork out of sharpening, ensuring accurate results throughout the entire edge of your knife. Plus, this sharpener isn't picky. It can sharpen both straight edge and serrated knives, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Now, let's address some drawbacks. While the Chef's 1520 is a top-of-the-line sharpener, it does come with a higher price tag compared to other models. Additionally, its bulky design may take up some counter space in your kitchen. And there you have it, folks. The Chef's 1520 Electric Knife Sharpener is the epitome of precision and efficiency in sharpening. If you're ready to take your knives to the next level, check out the link in the description below. Happy sharpening! Number 3. EverSharp Knife Sharpener. This adjustable sharpener is a game changer for anyone serious about maintaining their knives. With its variable speed motor and premium flexible abrasive belts, it's ready to tackle any sharpening task with ease. Let's dive into what makes the EverSharp stand out. The adjustable sharpening guide allows you to produce precise edge bevels ranging from 15 to 30 degrees, giving you full control over the sharpness of your blades. The variable speed motor is a true standout feature, offering improved cooling and the option of slow speed honing or high speed grinding. This means you can handle everything from fine honing to heavy-duty grinding tasks effortlessly. The EverSharp delivers fast, precise, and repeatable sharpening results with no setup or calibration time required. Plus, the 6000 grit belt ensures better contact with serrations and other hard-to-reach edges, leaving your blades razor-sharp every time. Now, let's address some concerns. While the convex edge produced by this sharpener may not be ideal for all users, it's important to note that it offers superior cutting performance. Additionally, some users have reported that it can be loud during operation. And there you have it, folks. The EverSharp Knife Sharpener, a versatile tool that's ready to take your blades to the next level. If you're interested in picking one up for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Happy sharpening! Number 4. HORL to Walnut Rolling Knife Sharpener. This elegant sharpener offers unparalleled flexibility and precision in knife sharpening. With its interchangeable grinding discs and magnetic angle support, it's designed to meet the individual requirements of every chef and home cook. The HORL 2 features a magnetic angle support with both 15 degrees and 20 degrees angles, allowing you to achieve either a fine edge or a robust blade, depending on your needs. This means you can sharpen a variety of knives, from delicate sushi blades to hardy kitchen knives. The sharpening system combines diamond and ceramic discs, ensuring optimal sharpening for knives of any hardness. Whether you're working with European kitchen knives, stainless steel, or even outdoor knives, the HORL-To has you covered. With the 20 degrees grinding angle, you can achieve a sharp, long-lasting edge perfect for tackling tough cutting tasks in the kitchen and beyond. Meanwhile, the extra fine 15 degrees grinding angle is ideal for precision work, such as sushi and sashimi preparation. However, it's important to note that the HORL-To is not recommended for pocket knives. While it excels in sharpening kitchen knives and other larger blades, it may not be suitable for smaller, more delicate knives. And there you have it, folks. The HORL-To Walnut Rolling Knife Sharpener. A versatile and elegant solution for sharpening your knives to perfection. If you're ready to elevate your knife game, check out the link in the description below. Happy sharpening! Number 5. EverSharp Adjustable Knife Sharpening System. This sharpening system is a game changer for anyone serious about keeping their blades razor sharp. With its array of 7 abrasive grits and adjustable sharpening angle, it's designed to meet the needs of even the most discerning chefs. Let's talk about what sets the EverSharp system apart. With 7 abrasive grits, including diamond, ceramic, and leather strop, you have everything you need to create custom edges on your knives. Plus, the adjustable sharpening angle can be easily set anywhere from 15 to 30 degrees, ensuring precision sharpening every time. The tri-brace of sharpening stones allow you to quickly index between grits, making the sharpening process fast and efficient. And with the ability to easily swap between rods, including a small fine ceramic rod for sharpening serrated knives, this tool truly does it all. With the EverSharp system, you can sharpen serrated knives with ease and even reprofile old blades to create a polished edge. It's the ultimate all-in-one knife sharpening tool for both amateur cooks and seasoned chefs alike. However, it's important to note that there may be a learning curve when first using this system. With its adjustable features and array of options, it may take some time to master the technique for optimal results. And there you have it, folks. The EverSharp Adjustable Knife Sharpening System, your ticket to precision sharpening at home. If you're ready to take your knife game to the next level, check out the link in the description below. Happy sharpening! Thank you for staying with us. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Let us know which product review you like to see next. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, thump this video up and share it with your friends. That's all for now.